friend, this is your English Guru Mahendra sir from IOC Spoken English Academy. Once again, you are welcome in a conversation skill. As you know that our course has been completed, but we have set specially interviews for you so that you can listen the students how nicely they speak, and whatever questions I ask them, they can give the reply very nicely, so that you can also get an idea that how can speak English after finishing our course. Today I have one of my best result, Miss Priya Patel. Okay, especially for my after receiving my invitation, she has accepted the invitation and she came to give her inquiry. Okay, thank you very much for coming, Priya. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
And feeling comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, now first I want to listen about yourself.
Okay. Hi, this is Priya, and I'm doing college in second year, and I also have completed my course in IIC Institute. Firstly, I would like to thank Mahendra sir because I didn't have any idea that I would speak English like this. So just because of your and your staff's hard work, I can speak English like this. Now I want to say about me that me and my family, that my papa is businessman, my mama is housewife, and I have siblings, one brother and sister. They are younger than me, and they both are very cute. And for the grace of God, I have got a very beautiful family, and I am very happy.
I know that your family is very beautiful, and I also want to listen that once you join in the class and after that because of some reason you left.
Yeah.
Okay, and again after 6 or 8 months again you joined the class. What was the secret? Why you left and why you joined again?
Actually, after 12th exam, I have joined IOC Institute. But after 12th result, I got very less marks in my 12th exam. So my papa and mama got angry on me, and they said that now you don't need to.
There is no need to.
There is no need to do anything for you. So they were very angry because they expected very much marks, because I got very much marks, 95, 90 of since my 11th, and in the 12th I got very less. So he became very sad, upset and angry. So that's why I left IIS Institute. But you called.
Yeah, I especially called your mama.
Yeah, you
Okay, Priya is very clever girl, and please don't miss this opportunity because you have already paid the fees. So why don't you send? So especially after listening my voice and my whatever I convinced her, she listened very nicely and she sent you again.
Yes, and my mama agreed to you, and he also made she also made my papa agree and convince, and I joined again.
So how is your result right now? Because I know that you are one of my best years.
I'm feeling very good that I am speaking English like this, because English was my passion when I was young. Because whenever I saw award function and shows that they all were speaking in English, and I could not understand anything, but that time I decided that I would also learn English and speak English like them. So I am very happy now that I would speak English, and I can understand their language.
Priya, I just want to tell you that you were surprise package for me. You were surprise package mean why I am telling you are surprise package for me, because when you used to come in the class, you used to sit very calmly, you used not to talk with any kind of person, and nobody can say that you are very clever girl. Actually in my class there were so many other students also, but they were speaking very nicely. But when I took your inquiry, when I told you to please come for conversation, and when you sat for the conversation, at that time I surprised. My God, yeah, this is a surprise package, medal winner student, right?
Okay, that time I told you that I got very less marks, so I was very upset for 2 or 3 months, because I also didn't expect that result. So I became very upset. But that time I decided that it happens in everyone life. Then I would speak English very nicely, and prove that I can do anything. Just because of my 12th result, you cannot judge me.
Yeah.
So that's why I did very hard work for English, and I became very calm, because I wanted to become surprise package. That's why I became very calm, and I didn't talk to anyone, and that was the reason.
Yeah, really, you were surprise package for me, because I never thought. I also discussed with my staff here. I never thought that Priya is one of the medal winner student for my
Yes.
class. Okay, nice, great. And do your parents know that Priya can speak English very nicely?
They know that I can speak English,
Because
but
if you speak, because if you speak like this in front of your parents, when they will see this interview, na, they will become very happy.
they never.
This is the chance
Yes.
to show them, because this interview I will show. They can show on YouTube also,
Yeah.
and you can also show them. Look, mama. There is no need to go in the class and see that how I am speaking English. Look at that on YouTube. Look at that how I am speaking English.
Yes, yes.
So this is the chance for you. So speak very nicely. Whatever questions I am asking you.
Yeah. I because they don't know that I can speak English like this. They only know that okay, my daughter can speak English little bit.
So what do you think that after watching this interview?
After watching it, they will be very shocked that I always say to them that I can speak English, but they always laugh on me and make jokes on me. Not because of make me feel upset and sad, but just it is their nature that they laugh on me. But they will be very shocked whenever they will see it.
No, but you decided very nicely actually, and your answer also was very nice. And you said that if you get less marks, so life is not over there. And I also teach in English speaking and personal development. If you fail in standard 10th and 12th, and if you get less marks, don't think that life is over there. Okay, you can get
Yeah.
another chance also, right? Now you are also doing IELTS in my class.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your future plan? Why you are doing IELTS?
I'm preparing IELTS because I want to go Australia, and it was also my dream from I was in 7th standard when my brother went to Australia, and whenever I heard that he is earning
Very nicely.
he is living very nicely. You know,
He's
they
living
have
luxurious life.
luxurious life, and I also want that type of life. So and also the one of second reason is that after my father, I am
The mature
elder
person.
person.
Yeah.
That's why I will have to earn money, and I will have to complete my siblings' education. So I have decided so many years ago that I will go Australia, and I will earn, and I will study, and everything I will do for everything my siblings, whatever my father and mother did and do for me. So
Okay.
that's why.
How many members are there in family?
Including me, I have five members.
You have 5 members in family.
Yes.
Okay, I want to listen about your family members.
Okay, firstly, I want to say about my mama because I love my mama too much because she
What's your
understands.
mama's good name?
Yeah, my mama's good name is Meenakshi Patel, and I love her so much because she understands me more than my papa, because he becomes very angry. So I can't say anything directly to him. So I want to say about her first, and she is very good person. She never says that you are not you can't do this. She always supports me. I got less marks. She also became very angry on me. But after some time, she understands me, and she told me that you can do this, you can do this. I can understand that what she was feeling, that because she expected more and more, and I
Every
couldn't.
parents expect that.
Yes, and I couldn't do that. So I also understood her, but I was also upset because that was my first failure. So and she handled me very nicely, because without her I can't expect that. I can imagine that I can handle my papa's anger. So I love her so much.
Okay, and after that your papa?
My papa, his good name is Rakesh Patel. He is also good person, and I love him also so much. But he has very anger nature. So
Is it aggressive nature?
aggressive nature. So I don't say directly to him, but yes, of course I do mischief with him. He never say anything. If I say any bad words to him, I can't pronounce it bad words,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
We can understand.
Yes. He is also very good. He loves me also so much, because I know whatever he did for me, he didn't do anything like me. He didn't do for my siblings. They are younger, but whatever they do, he's always thinking about me that what will do Priya think. They never think that what will do Riya or will do, because he knows that if I will do everything, but it also makes me angry and all. It's okay, it happens.
It's okay happen, but one thing I want to tell you that when you have a mama, so mama you can talk with her like friendly and
Yes.
you share everything.
Yeah.
But generally papa, because papa's designation is different, little bit different, okay?
Yeah.
He loves you too much.
Yes.
All the children are same
Yeah.
for him, and especially if you are a girl, so your papa has a lot of love for you than
Yes.
boy. Because I am also someone's papa.
Yeah.
Okay, but they cannot, papa is the person, they cannot express their love.
Yes.
Mama can express, mama can hug you, mama can kiss you. But in this age, that kind of love your papa cannot express.
Yes.
Because when the child comes out 8th standard, 9th standard, that kind of love converted, right?
Yes.
So that's why his nature is little bit different, and when he sees that my daughters are beautiful, so little bit they are afraid of that kind of
Yes.
things. They are look at the era, so that is why you think that he becomes angry and he has a little bit strict nature, so that's why you think like that. But overall your papa also loves you very much, and you also said that yeah, my papa loves me
Yes.
very much. Now tell me about something about your siblings,
My siblings.
because I also know that your sister is really extraordinary.
Yes, extraordinary than me. She is,
Yeah.
her good name is Riya Patel, and she is in standard 10th.
Right now she is 110.
Yes, right now.
Okay.
And she is also different from me. So we always fight, quarrel, because we are too much different from others. From each other, so we do fight, but she is also lovely and cute girl, but I never say to her that you are cute, and because he become very she feels proud to herself that yeah, my didi says like this, so I never say to her, but overall she is very good person. Also, I want to say about my brother. His good name is Om Patel, and I want to say he is only 10 years old, but he has very good sense of humor. He is very understanding person, and if one time we say that you can't do this thing, you should not do this thing, so he will never see at this thing. So somehow
He follows you a lot.
yeah, not me. Who person on the depend on the person.
Yeah.
My mama, papa, sister,
Whoever tell him
whoever tell
to
him
follow this kind
to
of things, do
follow.
this kind
Yes.
of things, it's okay. He
Yes.
immediately believes.
Yeah, so I love him very much.
Okay, Priya, I also want to know that importance news that you receive from by text message or WhatsApp
Yes.
message. I want to listen that kind of things.
We all know that we become sad if one family member goes from our family, but we became too much happy when we get the news that new family member come in our family. So I want to say that my cousin sisters, when she became a mother and we got a baby child, and she lives in Australia. So my cousin brother text to us that she became
Yeah.
mother, and we laughed at that time too much, because we were mischieving that our papa, like, you became nana, and one child has come in our home that he call you granny, nana, or whatever.
Mhm.
So it was the important text message and happiest text message ever for us, that I received message.
So maybe that was the happiest moment of your life.
Yes.
Okay. And something you bought which was difficult to use for you. Something you bought in the past and it was very difficult to use for you.
Okay, last year it was my grandma's birthday, and I thought I want to give her something new. So I was searching for a mobile which she can use the mobile. So I have searched a lot on the shops and in the mobile through the net. And finally I got a senior citizen mobile.
Okay.
And I got it, and I gave her that mobile, but she was very frustrated because there are features, that icons, and she couldn't use it very well, because of course she she can't understand the language of phone.
Mhm.
And I also become very frustrated because we also know that smartphones and that type of phones are
Yes,
very different.
different.
So and that icon size and buttons phone, so that's why we both became very frustrated. But after that I watched on mobile my smartphone, and
Mhm.
got the features and all, and I understand all the icons and all. And then I teach my grandmas that,
Okay.
and she also became very happy that she could call her brothers and sisters. So
By video
she,
calling.
yeah, she became
So
very.
she would also excited that wow.
Yes, yes.
Is
She
it
became,
possible to talk like this?
yes. She had to call. She had to call us and said us that please call me. I want to talk with him. So that type of thing I didn't like that. So I got phone for him for her, and she become very happy. Now she is using very well.
Okay, some time ago you said that that was the happiest moment for you when your cousin sister got baby. So, accept that kind of thing. Is there any day when that day you can recognize that that was very happy day for you?
Yes, after my sister's marriage, she has married before 10 years. I think I don't recognize her, but after her marriage, she came last year on Diwali because of our family function, and it was the happiest day for us because our all cousins, brothers, and sisters came at my home, and we did very mischieving. We did shopping. It was not for one day, Navratri to Diwali, so it
Mhm.
was very long time for us. But it was very, because we are 10 brothers and sisters, so you can know that whatever we do, and whenever our family smile, laugh, so
Yeah.
we become also more happier
Yeah.
than it. So it was the happiest moment of my
Yeah,
life.
these are
that,
the moments when we become very happy.
yeah. So I became very happy that my family is smiling, because we all know that we have too much tensions and problems in our life. Escape them, we are smiling and laughing. It is our most important thing.
Okay, okay. A person who has taught you something and that person was very important person for you. So that is my question. A person who taught you something extraordinary. Is there any person in your life that who taught you something extraordinary?
There are many persons taught me many things, but I want to talk about my mama. He taught me so much things, but one more important thing, because I want to go Australia, so I have to cook. I will
Okay.
have to cook, because we are pure vegetarian. We don't even eat egg.
Oh,
So we are pure vegetarian, so I have to cook, and in Australia, veg, non-veg,
everything.
yes, everything available, so we can't eat too much outside food.
Mhm.
So my mama started to make me learn cooking, and it was the important thing for me. So it was.
That was the main thing your mama taught
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Right. Now tell me about your hometown. You live in Ahmedabad, you live in Gujarat. So
Yes, I live in Ahmedabad, which is the biggest city of Gujarat, our state, and I can say that no other city is like as our Ahmedabad,
yes, you
because
are right, absolutely right.
yeah,
And actually, in India, Gujarat is the pole star for India,
Yes.
and as Ahmedabad is the pole star city of India.
India.
Because whenever you go like Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, and if they know that are you from Gujarat, so automatically our impression increase. Modi sir.
Yes.
So automatically our impression
And,
increase there.
We are too much safe than Mumbai
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Delhi. So I can say that Ahmedabad is the very
Yeah, here I
safe
have
city.
listened that actually if any girl wants to go at her home at 2 o'clock,
Yes.
so even there is no fear for her.
Yeah.
Very nicely she can go and reach, and people are very polite and they don't do that kind of things. But in Bihar, UP, Andhra Pradesh, so many states, the girls cannot go outside after 6 o'clock, I think,
Yeah.
right?
6 o'clock.
So say something about your Ahmedabad.
First, I want to say that our Ahmedabadis are very foodie persons. You
Yeah.
know, if
Jalebi, Fafda, Dokda,
jalebi,
Handwa.
So they are very different from others because our Gujarati food also not also famous in the India, it is also famous in the world.
Yes, yes.
So it is our identification
Yeah.
that Ahmedabadi, you can cook good, you can everything. We are
And I have
also
also seen that whenever we go in the evening, all the pani puri center,
yeah
actually the person who are selling that kind of pani puri in a cart,
yeah
but at 9 o'clock, all the things business is over,
yeah
right?
and
Actually, how many people eat that kind of things?
yeah and our Ahmedabad is also famous for business
Yeah.
because we all know that in India Gujarat is the famous for our business, not in India, also in the world.
Yeah.
It is famous for our business, and textile also.
Yeah, 80% are businessmen here, and
Yes.
all the persons are rich.
Yeah, and our Ahmedabad is also fond of Navratri Garbas
Yeah.
and all festival
celebrate-
they
celebrate.
celebrate like their own festival. Not only Hindus, all Muslims and all festivals they celebrate with each other. So that those things are make me very happy that I am living in Ahmedabad.
Very nice. Super. Really, I also feel proud that I'm from Ahmedabad. You also feel proud that you're from Ahmedabad. Okay. Now I want to ask some questions about history. Do you know any kind of history? Can you discuss any kind of history?
Actually, I am very interested in history and I know many things about history because it is our culture also,
Yes.
so we should know that. And uh, what kind of, which kind of history do you want to know? I will say.
No, no, whatever you want to say. Actually, I don't know which kind of history you know. So how can I say that?
So,
Whatever you know
I
about
want
history.
to say about our culture.
Yeah. Say.
Because we should know in this generation people are going very badly uh, we should not do these things. Okay, we should increase our lifestyle and all,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, but we should
Like
not
modern era you are living,
Yes,
it's okay, but
yeah.
we should not forget our
forget
culture.
our culture because it is very important and it teaches us very beautiful things that if we have too much festivals in Hindu, you know very
Yeah,
well. If we have Diwali, there is a meaning behind that festival. If
Uttarayan
we
also
have
there is a meaning.
Uttarayan, Navratri, so these peoples are also Navratri also become enjoyment type of festival, but it is not. We should do many things for Navratri. So people of my home, in my home, my family members, not everyone, but some my uncle, auntie, and I am also going to start that they do fast and 9 days
9 days.
they worship goddess and they do many things and also Garba. Now we see that which type of songs are
Yeah, on the movie songs.
yeah, movie songs are, and I'm also doing Garba, so I can't say, but this is all totally wrong thing
Yeah,
because
this
we
is totally
can't play that type of. So
Actually, the original Garba we don't play. That kind of Garba
Yes.
play are played only in our society.
yeah,
In our society, like Chapti Bari Chokha,
Yes, yes.
Mano
So-
Garbore, that kind of things. But if you go to party plot, completely
Yeah.
different Garba.
different.
The people are going here and there and like.
Yeah, so that type of thing. So why this is happening? Just because parents don't get their child to know that this festival is coming, so that is the meaning. There is this meaning
Yeah.
behind this festival. So I think parents should know their children that there is we have too much festivals and we have this culture. So and I am very lucky that I born in India and I have this culture because we all know that our culture is very biggest.
No, very nice. Your thinking is really very nice. I like that thing. Priya, you have been learned by many teachers, right? In
Yes.
first standard to 12th standard, including me, and so many teachers have come in your life. So, according to you, who is your ideal teacher? Don't think that if you don't take my name I will mind. Don't think that. The person who is really your ideal teacher, describe about that person.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I want to say about my 10th teacher. He was my maths teacher.
What is yeah?
Dilip Bhai Patel.
Mr. Dilip Patel.
TM Patel is known as. He was like my father, a very aggressive person, and he also beat me a lot.
He used to beat you.
Yeah, he used to beat me a lot, but I never. That time I felt very.
Is Mr. DM Patel is short person or he has a height? Okay, actually the person whose name is also DM Patel, he was my colleague when I used to do a job in a school.
Yeah, he is also doing in job. He was doing in Hiraba, a school job.
Yeah.
He was also aggressive person. He used to beat me a lot, and I felt very I felt very scared at him. But whenever I was in 10th standard, then I realized that he wanted to make my career
Yes,
beautiful.
that's why he
because-
was strict.
Yeah, that's why he was like, once he called me in his cabin and he said that, Priya, why are you doing this? Because I am very lazy girl. He
Yeah.
knows me very well. Why are you doing like this? Because I know you can do very well in your board exams.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm beating. I beat you and all. So why are you doing like this? Do hard work, and after that time I started doing hard work, and I really got very good marks in mathematics side because I was very weak in maths.
Mhm.
So I didn't have any idea that time that I would get marks like this, and I always become my ideal teacher. Now this time also, if I call him and I say that, sir, I have this problem, so before he helped me,
Like that, he
nowadays
is always
also he
ready to-
ready to help me. So I am very lucky to have sir like him.
Okay. Now you have completed your spoken English, so tell me the importance of English.
We all know that English is our international language, so
Yes.
we have to speak it. And for me, English is very important because I want to go abroad. So I have to I must speak in English.
Hmm.
So English is very important language. But nowadays we can see that our biggest degrees are also nothing if we cannot speak
Speak
in English.
English.
We got
Whatever degrees you have, but you must have the knowledge of a little bit
Yeah.
computer knowledge and speaking English.
speak in English. They refused our degrees also because we can't speak English.
Mhm.
So English is our
Necessary things.
necessary thing. We must speak English because it is our impression if we speak in English and we speak in our mother language. So of course they not who are our interviewers and all, they also notice us that what first impression is last impression.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, if we get if we for just because of our abilities we got a job and all, but even though we left that image, our imagination that we English is, I think English
Very, very
very
important.
very much important.
Okay. Now I want to listen about your mad friend. Is there any mad friend do you have? Do you have
I
any
have
mad
all
friend?
mad friends actually.
No, who is the most?
Drashti Patel, you
Drashti
know,
Patel, yes, I know
she
that.
is very mad.
She was your classmate.
Yeah,
Tell
no,
me.
she was not in IC Institute.
Yeah,
She
in
was
IC
my
she was not.
classmate. I met him in 10th standard.
Because I expected when she was teaching in my class, I expected that Dharti would have a great result because she was speaking too much
Yeah.
and you are very silent guy. So that's why I told you that you are a surprise package for me.
Yeah, she is very mad because she never listened to anyone. If she decides that I want to do this, then even
Definitely.
his father says to her that don't do this thing, Drashti. No, Papa,
But
I
she will
want to
do.
do this. I will do this.
Okay.
So she is very mad and crazy type of person, but she is also very helpful and great person. She has great personality because just because of her this thing like I want to do this. She is more clever than me. You know,
Yeah,
she is
she was
doing engineering and she also does top
Yeah.
in the college and the school. So I love her so too much, and she also loves me. And I feel very proud that whenever she says that, Priya, I only trust you, I don't trust anyone.
Okay.
So I also
She's
feel
the
very
best friend.
proud. Yeah, she's my best friend.
Okay.
So these things make me sometimes make me very angry, make me very laugh, so make me smile. So that type of things in her
Okay.
is very different.
Now, funniest moment of your life. You become
Funniest,
too much happy. You cannot forget that day. You become too much happy on that day. Funniest moment.
funniest moment. Okay, I told you my father.
Yeah.
My father. Whenever my father laugh at me, make on jokes me, but I don't say anything if my mama is not present at that place. But whenever my mama present there, I say anything, and whatever words in my mind I say clearly, and it makes a joke. And I am very funniest person in my home, so I make laugh people. I don't think people make me laugh
Okay.
too much in my
And
family.
this is the right thing. Always we should make the people laugh.
Yeah.
Okay. Na? Because of us, if someone has a smile, actually you know that while teaching, sometimes I tell a joke and sometimes I go in other track. So I think that 45 minutes, 60 minutes my students come. So I think that because of me, if I have some quality, and if I express that kind of quality on students, so definitely they will have a smile on their face, right now. So it is very great and honest things for everybody.
Because we are from Mehsana, and you know our Mehsana
Speak,
language,
yeah,
we
yeah.
if we speak normal sentence, it become funniest. And in our neighborhood, they all are from Saurashtra and Junagadh, so they are called Kathiawadi. So they always laugh on our language because that is very funniest. But we never mind, because we all think that okay, because of our language they are smiling. That is good thing.
But you are from Mehsana, so can you speak Mehsana language? Do you
Yeah.
speak Mehsana language,
Very
village language in your house?
No, never.
So you speak a normal language.
Normal language, but I can speak.
You can speak
Yeah.
that kind of language.
Yeah.
Okay, can you speak 2 or 3 lines?
Yeah, sure. Which line you?
Actually, I know that because the different caste of people. Actually, if you are from Mehsana, if you are from Saurashtra, so when that kind of people speak in like Kathiawad, so they speak English now. So that kind of Kathiawadi tongue automatically comes in their mind. Actually, if I say any kind of like, yeah, there are many stars in the sky, but there is only one person in the sky, and
Yeah.
that is my papa, and I like my papa very much. So I don't know, you are speaking very nicely. So I just want to tell you that say 4 or 5 lines, whatever you want to tell about your family, but in Mehsana tongue, in English. I want to listen that.
I want to say about my family.
Just try. You have never tried, but
Never
I want to
tried.
listen Mehsana language in English.
In English.
Yeah, I'm not telling you that Mehsana language in Gujarati, Amsati, Imsa, Chonjoto, that kind of
Yeah.
language I'm not telling you. Look at that in Kathiawadi language. I say that, yeah, I call you, but you did not receive my call. How many times I called you?
But I want to say that in English our Mehsana language is normal, because our
Like
words
this.
are also, because our tone is normal.
Yeah,
So
Kathiawadi in different.
yes.
So whatever you want to say in Mehsana, in Gujarati, I want to listen.
Okay, if you want water, then you will say that please give me water. And in our Mehsana language, they will say that પાણી આપજો.
Poni also. 2 or 3 lines.
That
for. Uh,
and ક્યાં જઈને આયા?
હા.
ક્યાં જઈને આયા તમે?
શું જઈને આયા તમે?
Yes. And other thing, 5 રૂપિયા, 5 રૂપિયા.
5 રૂપિયા. સાસુને હાહુ.
હાહુ.
સાસુને હાહુ.
ખાનને ખોડ.
Fond. Khanda
Sugar,
fond.
yes.
Fond.
So these things made other people laugh, and we don't mind.
Yeah, but I like to listen that kind of language they are speaking, so we like to listen that kind of things.
Yes.
Okay, wonderfully. Now I want to listen. You have completed your spoken English very nicely. So I want to listen that which chapter you felt that chapter is difficult for you.
You told us that have two chapter.
Have to, has to.
Have to.
Ozalbab, get make have.
Yes, get make have.
Okay.
Yes.
Have to is a difference because
It
that
was
is
my
moral.
bad. Yes.
Yeah.
Get make have chapter. I learnt it 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
Before you told us that I will learned you this chapter next day, and
I will teach you
before that I learned that chapter 2 or 3 times,
And
and
then you
that
can
I understood that chapter, so it was difficult for me.
Yeah, because when I used to study that when my teacher used to teach me, really that chapter was going from upstairs, and I also work very hard because I thought that if I can understand, so that my students will understand very nicely. Because if I don't understand, how can my students understand very nicely? Okay. And which was the easiest chapter for you in English literature?
It was simple present tense.
Yeah, but
It-
that chapter speaks too much, huh? That chapter
Yes.
makes the people speak too much.
Yeah, it makes people too much.
Because out of
speak.
100, maximum 60% people speak on that kind of topic.
Yes, but it was too easy for me because I had learnt too many times that chapter in my school time, so it was
Easy for
easy
you.
for me.
Okay, Priya. Nowadays, you know that we have a time of Corona,
Yes.
right? COVID-19, we have a time of Corona. So 2 months, I think you were in village. You were in village.
Yes, I was.
Okay, so how you pass your time in Corona at the time of Corona? Because I think 24th March, the lockdown started, right? So how did you pass your time?
We did many things in lockdown. You know that I can't cook too much, so I have started to learn cooking from my sister, and also she do make cakes, and also I also learned that things, and I make for my siblings, my brother and sister. I taught them because my sister is in 10th standard, so I can study, I can teach her, and I taught my brother also English because I know English very well than other subjects. So I not too many things I did because I was in village, so I passed my time in doing work and watching TV serials and all. So the main things are cooking and teaching because it was different for me because I never did that type of thing.
Nice,
So it
nice.
was.
Okay. In your speech, you said that your ideal teacher is Mr. D.M. Patel, okay? And I know that Mahendra sir is also
Yes.
in your life. Not first ideal teacher, but one of the three. I know that I am here, I am there. So I want to listen about Mahendra sir. What do you
Okay.
think about me? Which kind of teacher I am? So I want to listen about Mahendra sir.
I earlier mentioned that I would like to thank Mahendra sir because I have passion to speak English, but I didn't have idea. I could not think that I can speak English like this. So just because of you, I can speak English, and I have started to watch English shows like Coffee with Karan, Coffee with Karan,
Yeah.
and all that type of show. That was my dream when I was young. So you also it was small dream, but it has been fulfilled.
Yeah.
So
Because
you
this is
are-
your first interview.
Yes, this is also my first interview. So it is also biggest achievement for me. So I would like to thank, and you are also my second ideal teacher.
Thank
First
you.
was DM sir, and second. So if I can speak English because I followed you to when I was doing my course. So just because of hard and smart work, I can speak English like this. So thank you.
Okay. And how is your experience in IUC Institute?
As I said that it was very awesome journey because of me, and you know very ups and downs came when I was in
Yeah.
IOC Institute. So and even though I completed my course, and I did very good performance, but not because of me, just because of our Institute staff and sir, because of they all do very hard and smart work. They make papers, and they do surprise test also. So and also you have dictionary, I think.
Yes.
And you
I have made a special diary.
yeah, you have made a specially diary which in that diary that are words available which are in trainings, because
Yes.
you know language increase their words day by day. So
Yes.
that is most wonderful thing that you make, you spread everything.
Yeah,
All
and-
students also.
Yeah. Every day I spend.
You send those words, and also that journey was really beautiful and awesome for me.
Okay, nice, very good, and really, I also glad to have a student like you, because I think that every time I feel that if the teacher, if the students support me, so I also become very happy. If they don't support me, even though I take work, but the students like you, when they support me, I become very happy. Look at that, I've got a wonderful students. Nice. Now the viewers, the friends who are watching us, and just suggest them, because you have a great result. So what if they want to learn English very nicely? So what they should do, which kind of things they should do, they should follow, because you are an experienced person, because your course has been completed last year, and right now you are also coming for IELTS. So what they should do and how they should follow Mahendra sir and IUC Institute, so they can also listen, and they can also follow. Yeah, look at that, this is a wonderful student, how nicely she can speak English very nicely. So just I wish that you follow, and sorry, you suggest them what they should do so they can speak English very nicely. Look at that.
I want to suggest that first of all, you want to speak and learn English, so follow all advice and all orders by which are by Mahendra sir, because that are very useful and thoughtful. And second thing is, whenever sir says that it is very important lecture, so you have to come in the lecture. Then that chapter you have to you should learn before he teaches us. Before you learn that chapter, still you can't understand that lines and all. So, and I want to say that. And I believe in his lines that come with smile and go with success. And totally, I can speak. I can say that I can speak English. So I want to say that come visit Mahendra sir, follow him. You can definitely get. You will definitely get good results.
Superb, superb. Thank you very much for your kind words, and thank you very much for giving a valuable time to me. Thank you.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.